Good morning, one and all. Today, in this proud occasion, I really feel privileged and immensely delighted to welcome you all to the inauguration and online release of NCC magazine of our college on the behalf of the 74th Independence Day celebration. I am profusely elated to take the opportunity to introduce and welcome our chief guest, Lieutenant Colonel Premchand Jha, the Administrative Officer of 2 Kerala Battalion NCC, our principal, Dr. Rajula PK, Dr. Ajit Kumar P., the former caretaker of our NCC unit, Lieutenant Dr. Bosco Lawrence, our ANO, and Dr. Vikas Ellis, the Assistant Professor of Department of Physics. I welcome you all and thank you for taking time off to join us in this occasion. Now, I invite our senior cadet, UO Krishnasri, who is a chief editor of our magazine, to deliver the welcome speech.
Good morning to everyone. It's an honor for me to welcome such a great audience. Today we are cherishing our dream to release a magazine. I'm thankful to all of you for sparing your valuable time for celebrating this auspicious moment with us. On behalf of all the NCC cadets of Government Arts College, I welcome you all to this online platform. Let me acknowledge and welcome our eminent guest. First of all, I would like to welcome our dear principal, Dr. Rajula PK, who is presiding over this function. I gladly welcome you, ma'am, to this function.
Thank you.
Next, I would like to welcome Lieutenant Colonel Premchand Jha, Administrative Officer to Kerala Battalion Tirumala, and Assistant Professor Ajit Kumar P., Head Department of Botany and former caretaker of NCC. We are blessed with your presence. I welcome both of you, sir.
Thank you.
Next, I would like to welcome Lieutenant Dr. Bosco Lawrence, Associate NCC Officer of Government Arts College, who has been a motivating force throughout the journey. I welcome you, sir. We were blessed to have such an exemplary, talented group of people in our editorial board. I would like to welcome all of them to this platform. Let me welcome Corporal Arunima Arnaya, Associate Editor of the magazine, and other editorial board members and Professor Ajay, CQMS Anish Kumar, and Professor Gokul GS, Cadet Jihad Muhammad, Sergeant Muhammad Shan, Lance Corporal Revati GS, and Under Officer Anakha LB. I welcome you all. I welcome Senior Under Officer Nandu SK, who is here to offer Nandu. I also welcome former Senior Under Officer Srijit JS and Dr. Vikas, Assistant Professor of Department of Physics and Administrator of College website. I welcome both of you. Last but not the least, I would like to welcome all the cadets, teachers and well-wishers who are here joining us. All of you. Every day is said to be a new beginning, so let's make this one
Thank you,
memorable.
Senior. Our principal
Thank
is
you.
here to
Have a
honor us
nice
with
day.
her presence. I invite you, ma'am, for the presidential address.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'm so proud to be here in this function as a new principal of this esteemed institution, Government Arts College, Trivandrum. Government Arts College has a very good and very well-disciplined NCC battalion. I hope so. And once I step into this institution and I came to know that this battalion is a really an outstanding one. And in the 74th Independence Day, I feel really glad to be with you for such a moment that releasing a magazine here. NCC Group has its major function to serve our nation with the full commitment and dedication. And here I'm sure our NCC Group is doing that function in its full spirit. In this midst of COVID 19, the pandemic, which is embracing the entire world, I'm really appreciating the group to conduct a meeting like this on the online platform in order to in order to release a e-magazine. So, and also, It shows the depth of the commitment and sincerity of the NCC team in this college. In this occasion, I express all my sincere wishes to the NCC group and its leader, Lieutenant Bosco Lawrence, to organize this function in this manner in today, especially the 74th Independence Day. And also, I extend my warm welcome and my glad thought that to our esteemed guest here, the Lieutenant Colonel Premchand Jha, who is here to address us. And once again, I wish all success to this NCC group and all success to this particular ceremony. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. I consider it as a great honor to welcome the Administrative Officer of 2 Kerala Battalion NCC, Lieutenant Colonel Premchand Jha, for the inauguration and the keynote address. Welcome, sir.
Uh, Good morning, uh, Principal Ma'am, and all the cadets and Colonel Bosco. Uh, it is my privilege and honor to be invited for this launch of e-magazine, and I consider myself as a fortunate to be part of it. I have recently joined 2 Kerala Battalion NCC almost about 3 months back. Uh, and to my uh, unfortunate thing that as soon as I landed, pandemic started. However, in this short time, whatever I've seen, uh, the cadets of NCC are doing a wonderful job. And particularly, I would like to mention Arts College is doing wonderfully, and the cadets are contributing a lot. And for that, I would like to thank Principal Ma'am and NCC Officer Lieutenant Bosco for motivating the cadets in performing the social role which they have been assigned due to this pandemic. It is a I'm sanguine that in future also we'll be doing a wonderful job, and we as a team will contribute a lot for the development of the nation, as we have seen Prime Minister desires. Thank you very much for inviting me, and I look forward to such association in future also. Thanks.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Now, it's the time to release our magazine. I invite Dr. Vikas Ellas, the Assistant Professor of Department of Physics and the Administrative of our college website, to present the college magazine.
I think it's visible to you all, right? Yeah.
Yes, visible, very much.
Valuable creations of our cadets are here. Thank you, sir. The magazine link will be provided in the comment section. May I invite Dr. Ajit Kumar P., the former caretaker of our NCC unit, for felicitation.
Oh, thank you, Anupama. Good morning, everyone. First of all, I wish you all a happy Independence Day. We are celebrating today 74th Independence Day of India. A very important situation now we are facing. Our Prime Minister today morning announced the Covaxin will be released within few months. That is a hope for all of us. It's a proud moment, as our principal said, respected principal madam and honorable AO of 2 Kerala Battalion, my dearest friend and colleague Dr. Bosco Lawrence, Dr. Vikas, and dearest cadets. It's a very proud moment for all of us, especially for the NCC unit of Government Arts College. It's a dream comes to true. For the last few years, we have tried a lot to release such a wonderful magazine, but as we saw a couple of minutes back, a wonderful, excellent creativity of our cadets. And this presentation of Anupama, excellent, is going on, and all the cadets are so blessed, and Government Arts College is totally proud on you, my dear cadets, and I congratulate Dr. Bosco Lawrence and all the cadets who are the driving force behind the release of this e-journal. I wish all success for the future programs of the NCC units. Personally, I stand for you and always be with you for the all positive endeavors of the unit. And thank you very much for inviting me for speaking some words for you. And I wish all success. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. As we all know, we had conducted online competitions on the behalf of the 74th Independence Day celebration. So it's a time to declare the results. Firstly, online poster making competition. First prize, Rohini CR, second BA Economics. PPT presentation competition. First prize, Cadet Adulya AJ, second BCom. Second prize, Cadet Gauri Mohan Y, second BSc Biotechnology. Congratulations, cadets. Now I invite SEO Nandu SK to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good morning, all. I take this as a great opportunity to express our gratitude towards our. Firstly, I would like to express our profound gratitude to our honorable guest, Colonel M.K. Chauhan, sir, Commanding Officer, 2K Battalion NCC. And I would like to express our sincere thanks to Lieutenant Colonel Premchand Jha, the Administrative Officer, 2K Battalion NCC, for taking his valuable time for our program. I am very grateful to our respected principal, Dr. Regula P.K. Ma'am, for her valuable support and presence. I must mention our deep sense of gratitude towards our ANO, Lieutenant Dr. Bosco Lawrence, sir, who moderated and organized this program very well. A great thanks to Dr. Ajit Kumar, sir, former caretaker of NCC, to be a part of this program. And thanks to Dr. Vikas LSR, Assistant Professor of Physics Department and Administrator of College website, for his technical support for the online release of the magazine. Then, thanks to our dear seniors who took their complete effort for making this magazine happen and get released, especially the magazine editor Under Officer Krishnasri R.S., then Associate Editor Corporal Arunama R. Nair, magazine photography CQMS Anish Kumar, and other editorial board members Under Officer Ajay M, Under Officer Gokul R.G, Cadet Jihad Muhammad, Sergeant Muhammad Shan, Lance Corporal Revadi G.F, and Under Officer Anaha L.B. I also appreciate you all for the great work you have done in it. And finally, I would like to thank all the cadets who have taken part in this program, and thanks to the senior cadets who organized this program very well. Let freedom in your mind, soul, and body, faith in your words, and pride in your nation. I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Nandu. There will be an online quiz competition based on Quit India movement after this meeting. The link will be provided in our NCC WhatsApp group. Please do participate. All the best, cadets. Now the meeting is over. I declare the meeting concluded. Thank you.
Please disperse, and it was a great uh, event organized. And congratulations to all of you.